My name is Shalini. I am one of the expert OET trainer from Akshara Global Academy. Today I came here to giving you some of the tips regarding OET writing section. So how to pass OET writing section? Today this is discussing through this video. So the writing section, there are different types of letters. That is 5 minutes you have to read that task, then again 40 minutes you have to write. That means total 45 minutes. For that 5 minutes for reading time, then 40 minutes for writing the task. So you will get different types of letters. The types of letters are mother and baby letter, advice letter, refer letter, home visit letter, transfer letter, non-case letter, then discharge letter. So depends upon the letter you have to write. So in each letter you have to write in a different way. So in writing session there are some criteria. So the criteria to get a B score. B score means 350 to 440. So this is the score ratio for writing section to get B score. So to pass that OET writing section, you have to fulfill these 6 criteria. What are the criteria? This is describing here. So first criteria is purpose. Purpose means in the writing section, you will get a question regarding a patient's detailed description about his treatment status. Then you say maybe it is a clinical status or it may be a home visit type of that. So it depends upon his or her treatment status. So you have to organize in a correct way. So from that you can see the end of that question. You can see the writing task. So in the writing task you can see, for example, write a refer letter to a community health nurse who will be taking care of the patient Mr. Billy to your facility. So that means you have to you are asking that reader to give its discharge care. So this is the purpose that they are mentioning. So you have to detailedly describing what they are mentioning to the particular reader. So reader may become a social worker, a physiotherapist, a doctor, or even a nurse. So depends upon the reader's knowledge and the purpose you have to write this question. So you have to write this 40 minutes, up to 40 minutes you have to write this writing task. So first you have to write this purpose, which is clearly apparent in OET writing question. So you have to mention detailedly in the writing section. So for that the score ratio is 0 to 3. So out of 3 you have to score at least 2 for getting a B score. Okay, next is content. What is meant by content? So content also they are scoring 0 to 7. For 0 to 7, that means out of 7 you need to score at least 5 for getting a B score. So at least 5 for getting a B score out of 7. Okay, content means you have to write letter in a simple way. That means this letter contains more irrelevant and relevant data. You have to include all the relevant data, and you have the ability to avoid the irrelevant data. How we can eliminate these irrelevant data? That depends upon a reader. That means depends upon the reader. You have to tell. Depends upon their reader's knowledge. You have to detailedly describing this letter. That means content. So you have the ability to write these relevant details, and you have the ability to cut down these irrelevant data. Next is conciseness and clarity. What is meant by conciseness and clarity? For this conciseness and clarity, score ratio is 0 to 7. For that 7, you need to get at least 5 for this B grade. That means 0 to 7, you need to get a minimum of 5. Conciseness and clarity means you have to write in a simple understanding language. avoid complex writing. That means you have to write in a simple way. So it will get an easily identify what is you are mentioning there. And the length of the letter should be depends upon the reader's knowledge and reader's discipline. So this is meant by conciseness and clarity. In this conciseness and clarity. So for that 0 to 7, that means you have to score at least 5 out of 7. Next is general and style. That means you have to write in a simple way. Avoid complex mode of writing. Avoid complex mode of writing. You have to write in a simple way. Next is organization and layout. Then in this general and style also you have to score at least 5, minimum of 5. For 0 to 7 is score. So out of 7 you have to score at least 5. Out of 7 you have to score at least 5. Next is organization and layout. Organization and layout means this letter contains different ideas, different data. So some contains irrelevant and relevant data. You have to avoid these irrelevant data and you have to include that relevant data only. Depends upon the reader we are deciding what is relevant and what is irrelevant. So this is called organization. So you have to write in a story way. That means most important things you have to write in the top of the letter. Least important you have to write in the bottom. That means it depends upon the importance you have to write. This is the way how you can organize each letter. Okay, for this organization and layout you have to score at least 5 out of 7. That means the score ratio is 0 to 7. For that you have to score at least 5 for getting a B grade. Next is language. For language, I told you this is a simple way of language they are expecting from your side. That means easy to get understanding. And the punctuation, grammatical side, your language, these all are organizing. That means this language they are expecting is around a score of 5 out of 7. Again, this score ratio is 0 to 7. So out of that you have to score at least a 5 for getting B grade. So these criteria you need to fulfill for getting a B grade. Okay, students, those who have any doubts regarding this OET writing section, you can comment here or you can ask directly through us, through our contact number. So that means you can ask any doubts regarding OET writing section through our WhatsApp, or you can directly contact to our number. And telling you our number is 7012971681. So the number is 917012971681. This is our contact number. So you can contact this through WhatsApp, or you can directly contact us for any admission or any queries. Thank you all.